In this demonstration, we're going to look at managing content on distribution points and also through the software library. What we've done here is we've come into our System Center Configuration Manager Admin Console. We've come to distribution points, and what we'll do here is we'll just look at lon-cfg.datum.com. So we'll right click, we'll have a look at the properties. Then what we'll do is we'll look at content. So in the case of the content, what we have here is we have two packages currently sitting on this distribution point. Let's just go for the first one. And if we just have a look at this, what we can see here is we have three buttons. So the first one we have is we have validate to validate the integrity of the package. We can redistribute the package, or we can remove the package in the case of it no longer being in production. We can also have a look at this through the software library. So we'll just select cancel. We'll just come to our software library, and within our software library we'll just look at the user state migration tool. We'll right click, we'll have a look at the properties. And if we have a look at the properties, one of the things we can see here is we can see our content locations. So in our content locations, what we can see is it's on two distribution points. These two distribution points are a member of this distribution point group. So let's just highlight Tor-server 2. And what we can see yet again, we have the validate, redistribute, and the remove button. So we'll just select cancel at this point. One of the other things we can do is we can pre-stage this content into a file that we can then take to a distribution point, perhaps on a slow network, and allow us to import that package onto that distribution point from the file rather than perhaps across the network. So if we just right click, what we get is we get the ability to create pre-staged content file. We browse through, and all we're going to do here is we're going to give the file a name. I'm going to call that /usmt win10.pkgx, and we'll select save. Not going to bother with any administrator content, so we'll select next. In the case of the content, I'm happy with the description and the name, so we'll select next. Content location, we'll add that to our distribution point, lon-cfg.datum.com, and select OK. Select our next button, read the summary and select next, and allow the progress to occur. So we'll pause the demonstration at this point and return back once that's complete. So it's now complete, so we'll select close. And now what we need to do is get that file onto our other distribution point. So we'll move to our other distribution point. We'll just come into Windows Explorer. We'll just go to the machine where we've just created the pre-staged content file. So we'll do that with //lon-cfg /e$. Hit the enter key. Highlight the file, and we need to get it onto this server, so we'll just copy, and then what we'll do is we'll just paste that onto the E drive. Next thing to do now is extract the content. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to come to my command prompt. I've already gone into the SMS dp $SMS/tools folder, and now what we want to do is extract the content of that file. I'm going to do that with extract content.exe/p:/c:, specify the file, and then /s. And as you can see, we've now extracted the contents. So we can see we've uncompressed everything, we've extracted everything. Then what we'll do is we'll just come back to our Configuration Manager server, and in our Configuration Manager server, as we can see, content is now distributed. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.